Introducing the Classic Army Nemesis X9 AEG. The X9 is perfect for players who want a sleek, compact SMG for very tight, close quarters gameplay, while retaining all of the function, feel, and fire controls of the familiar AR-15 and M4 style platforms. An M-LOK handguard affords you the ability to mount any compatible accessories to the front of your X9 in virtually any configuration you can think of. Towards the back, you will see a 3-position PDW-style stock with a unique, spacious, and user-friendly battery compartment latch that makes swapping out batteries on the fly a total breeze. Internally, the X9 sports Classic Army's 2018 ECS programmable trigger unit, giving you the option to set your gun to 3 or 5 round bursts while providing protection for your trigger switch. Combined with the pre-installed flat trigger system, the ECS allows for blazing fast trigger response with negligible motor spin-up time, as every fraction of a second counts in CQB. To top it all off, the X9 is backwards compatible with all previous Classic Army Nemesis Series AEG upper receivers, giving you the ability to swap out rail systems and barrel lengths quickly to suit any changes in environment or playstyle. Available from Introducing the Classic Army M132 microgun. Featuring a lightweight, reinforced polymer design, the microgun weighs in at just 9 pounds unloaded, making it much more maneuverable than its larger minigun relative. An absolutely massive 2,200 round internal magazine and a monstrous rate of fire of 38 rounds per second make this the ultimate suppression and saturation tool on the airsoft market today. Utilizing an 11.1 volt LiPo battery to rotate the barrels and either an adjustable HPA rig or onboard green gas canister inserted directly into the microgun itself ensures that you've got options both in fine-tuning your microgun's performance and keeping it running all day. Introducing the Classic Army ISSC Mark 22 CQC Carbine. This gun is an officially licensed airsoft version of the real steel ISSC Mark 22 rifle and features a durable yet lightweight nylon fiber body and a folding stock, which is adjustable both in length and in cheek rest position, making it the perfect option for close quarters games and tight corners. A 300 round high cap magazine means you've got the ammo you need to get the job done, and the Mark 22 will accept most other M4 AEG mags on the market, meaning you can still share magazines with your squad. Available from your local licensed Classic Army dealer.